play a certain video here for us to watch and discuss the content of the video. So I'll play the video here for us to watch so that the content of the video will be what discussed. Mabia yenkan na video sha mbahna dashi wanke egwa baka egwa kan na katana ntwa kapune ndi asase de kapune na ndi asego. Hey, mama. You know my thought. Wait, Thank you. The video you've just viewed. The video you just viewed is a video that was taken when Kennedy Adyapong's team for the Northeast region visited the Nalugamba constituency. They informed all delegates to gather to this so that they will commit them and give money to them as Kennedy Adyapong has allocated. The delegates gathered. Some were still on their way coming. Those who were on their way coming were even more than those who were present. So when they realized that the monies they were giving, or if they were going to give all the monies to out, they will not make money away, they decided to bring a rule. And the rule was that if you are not present here, if delegates who were not present, they were not allowed to take, no one was allowed to take money from them. So the delegates were now coming. So upon realizing that no, the rule they brought was not going to work, they decided to run away with the money. So that's a video you just watched. They ran away. Dear Canada Japan, the money you gave to your coordinators to give to delegates, they refused to give them. They ran away with the money. I am here to tell you that the money you've given to the the coordinators or your campaign team to give to delegates to vote you tomorrow, they have run away with the money. Your regional campaign coordinator for the Northeast region, the Nalugamba constituency campaign team, the coordinator, plus their driver, they came this morning, and in fact, upon realizing the number that were gathered there, they're giving the money out, they will not claim money to see from you. They ran away with the money. They forcefully ran away with their money. It was like a fight. The delegates were present to take what you gave to them, but your team members, the team you chose to represent you here, ran away with the money. They ran away. You see what is happening? So I don't know why they did that. So in Gambaga, when they came, they ran away. In Alelgu, too, when they got to Alelgu, many delegates did not get their money. They ran away again. So dear Kennedy, if you don't get a vote here, don't just say maybe we hate you. Please, your people have those who entrusted your funds into, they have run away with your money. So you can ask them for your money because no one took your money. You gave them money. You gave money to them to give to us so that we vote you. Really? So now they came. They ran away with the money. Mabisi, young video shama, Kananya Kennedy Japan team members, but China, Zuna Baraset lad delegates, the man, never lamana Zuna Kawachana Mitaba, the Canadian Tumbana. So ban lam na yinatam shama, Kaniruma, Nabalam Pam, Banchana Mangar, Bambachanama, Kawaguaya, Nidibiao, Bay Telegramaza, Bantum Benyashila, Bamang Benyashila Banti Mapuni. So Legrama Mana. Ka anzuama kama burba zukane di Japan ya kai chana nte delegates ma bila bam benema ko kai na bam be chana za bianya na yi ko pun ma ka bam ngba be so ma zuan wana so ba pana nai ka ba bang na be to legrama ayi ba bianya legran sunzong zukane di ya ka ba legrama nula ma jirin san legrama nula nzwa gamba bala ka bananya gamba ga zula la ka banangi na lego zula la ka banangi so mbo mi ada so ma amela ka bana agbabi so ma binyi wanye video inje kaka pa Kennedy Japan ya na ai o team members la want to ne dalisha babanan kaya den kayan penan dia azama. Please, if you see this video, you forward it to Kennedy Japan that the team members he entrusted all his funds into to come and campaign for him in the Northeast region, they have squandered the money away. They have denied the delegates what he gave to them to vote for him. They have refused to give the money. They have forcefully run away with the money. So if you want his money, he should contact them. They have the money to let's say to their account. So he should contact them for his money. Thank you, Kennedy. Your people are those who are going to sabotage you. Bye bye, Kennedy.
Motorbikes na muhunu motorbikes President Mahama nua Ibrahim Mahama atwa fira monone a ode eba abeboa Kennedy Japan campaign sene ebe ya obetimi awi elections no na we from reliable source munim se me ntwa montro party hu dunti na me yesade egui na enti ya menya ne se almost omo ba be ma police station bia motorbike ba polling station bia across the country motorbike ba na sabre ya me ne mo kase Western North for e de akwa akoduru ene na etwa gudu currently we call Western North na we call Sehwi Asanyon so Kenya Japan regional campaign coordinator e friend Pius Abekanifi e ho na currently omode Western North motorbikes a yede kwa koma police station fo e wo ho akwa akogu na enye no nko am Western North approaches se mu nyina mu ni approaches Ibrahim Mahama container wakraba Ghana yehihye emo ne anwa aguma yesi yede ba bema delegate approaches ana take delivery of it na omo chechema delegate instead of so omo bema delegate bia emo bottle bag ba ko a ehemu 5 no omo yiyi just one every mu no omo de ma delegates say delegates for no kro omo sign bomb kro no aka ho na you see we MPP delegate am when you say NDC, invest a lot of resources, a lot of energy, a lot of time campaigning and working for Kenya Japan. Send a MPP flag bearer because they know so no be flag bearer of MPP. A be easy ama NDC. No matter me a power in 2028. No matter me win elections. So that's why Oma take a lot of time and resources. Oma invest a lot of resources in Kenya Japan campaign. Official say first week of January. And Oma money 207 million Ghana cedis. No, maybe can't once I'm cheremo. Echeremo time a controller and accountant general. Actual check no. And the mark in Japan. And basically, almost yes I am winning because almost lose about me winning. And ya the NDC betimi win 2028 elections no na Kenya Japan e win a e betimi abom amoma tena power enti we MPP delegate ati ne tie ne yi enema na omode ba no je motorbikes na monje emo ne angwa no monje 100 Ghana cedis na omode aka ho no monje na mundi nanso momma party ne hu hia mo momma MPP ho do endi manimu kan na monto aba ne enti Kenya Japan momma ne hu se bontimi ndi party na boro and sell party need to NDC. Now won't try na ho embe country and say young reward on with the topmost position in the party. In the name of Munjindi, but Montwabana, Emma Dr. Bawumia. As time goes on, information be a better drop PBA, Medaba Bremo, Medamas.
Yeah, but I'm a church and winner. Some na a back on, I know net. I'm say campaign no. I told so my microphone crying here. I was informed church Munina, Emma Munina Kwaba. Mobaras media so Ebio Masayamba. Aye. Pachauti video na me boy nina. Sauti nina. The econo. Aye. Babi Kenya Japan crofo no. Omokoye. Sika was so monfan koma sabio. Daddy gets not no monfanto nsuo o mankasa chafa. Efro no so achi. And the Ibrahim Mahama NDC ni Ibrahim Mahama and sponsor MPP candidate. Twede ho na fa kwa adwenem. De na ka kyerɛw. Sem ewo ase. Asem we nyina na ya boaboa no se ye de bremo ene na ye bedi ho komo ene ye ne ADOMAKO BAFFI ene be ye interview we o join me timeso se man ko ba bia trase na like video no na share na ye ntwen se ye nwia no obeba na ye ne no adi nkomo na meanwhile no ochina oye MPP delegate go and vote for MPP tim ye pa koto abana farmer MPP abato no koto madiema MPP no ene so beto aba e de amayewura Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia ono na ye MPP ni ba are representing the ideology of the MPP. Here Kennedy Japan eye betrayer essentially Judas in the MPP ono na pese on-say party no mimia kwasi asamwa me akwaba sansona James Asante Michel yepa Kennedy Japan na dwen so pese on-say party no mfa mayen because ono de ewo senka nensaka ni nyina emfaso a party ni babedi no party ono wadi ni nyina sabio adodode ewo se uye party ba adodode a wunya di papa no nensaka ni die nyina enti no sesie ya ye kasai se party ni bese ye o se party no betiti o se party me kwa kotobola mo say party for mpanyinfoɔ ne party ma ɔmo nyina bɛgyae party no ɛmfa ne ho because the ɔhwehwɛ ne nsa aka ɛne nti otimi hwɛ yɛ anim no ka kyerɛ sɛ yeah man I got the money man I'm a rich man enti ɔkyena woyɛ MPP delegate a dwene wo daakye ho dwene party ni panyin a yɛyi ne so medi party n'anim a wadwuma a woyɛ ne nnɛ no ɛnkɔyɛ kwa na mmom no wobɛnya so mfasoɔ minim sɛ yɛwura Bawumia ɛnyɛ dre di kan a waba mo nan so nie Dr. Bawumia wakɔ MPP delegates for nan so ɛda wei ka ho emprɛ maako ensia ɔne yɛwura Nanado kɔɛ 2012 ɔne yɛwura Nanado kɔɛ 2016 2020 ɛna 2024 ɔno enkoa eba delegates for anim ɛne ɔmo bɛdi nkɔmɔ pacho temi yepa from 2000 MPM sada we ya meno kasai Dr. Bawumia aba mo nan so mpre bebre every MPP delegate bia ni mfaso a ewo Dr. Bawumia so in one way or the other no Dr. Bawumia a support mu binom ewo kwan bi so hima me Vivian ko am akwa aba enipa kakra won nsɛm a ɔde bɛma wo no saa nipa no dodoɔ wɔ ne nsɛm a ɔbɛdan ne nyinaa ɛde ama enti enipa bi te sɛ Dr. Bawumia no ɔyɛ MPP foɔ yɛsoro abɔfoɔ ɔno na ɛwɔ sɛ yɛnto aba ne ma no na ɔmmɛboa yɛ party ma party nsa nyina ne nan so na nsa mmra mɛyɛ akɔ no biem na 2028 yɛntumi enkodi nkunim ewo sabio the general election da yanim MPP delegates here muntiem ye the database welfare no ema party ma Dr. Bawumia na niso ade hunu eno no eye aniso ade hunu bia eba mamo delegates police station agents, constituency chairman and asifo, electoral area coordinators. Sa database welfare na papa na de ba no. Eye monti o de ba. Dr. Bawumia pese adidi jankomo a brebi MPP wa aban mu ekoso na na no so santi no Emma party no ho be yahi ewo no ankasa ni party manim no here the database system no database welfare system no here the ba na here the aba be yeden abe stop put that at the dija problem na ewo party no enti wona we delegate u feel say sabio why ya juma ma party no wa bo homodene aye de obetumi bia na nso no dwene se enso dwene se party ne ba konwa mu a yemfa wo nye hwe no Dr. Bawumia se menka nkyere wo se system na ode ba no wankasa na we constituency executive no wona we the area coordinator no wona we district organizer youth organizer na asefo no osi ode system bi ba momu bia number be wo ne ho a se ba ne se ye di bibi mpo na ebre wo a ye mfa nkofo abiso na mom no ye the paper that let into your hands say adwuma bi na abeto na ye hwese wo qualification a obetumi ayo is from the headquarters na bebo amane say adwuma we ya aba abeda ho no ye wo de obetumi akwa akoye because Yɛgye wo din de hyɛ data no ma nyɛ wo din ko a yɛde wo din da yɛde wo phone number adwuma a wonim ɛka ho deɛ wo pa yɛ yɛde ka ho deɛ wo pɛ de ama wo ba bi wo yere wo faseɛ bi yɛde ka ho nti sɛ opportunity no bɛduru a ɛho nhia sɛ ɛbɛkɔ akɔhu ampi ɔwɔ hɔ na ebi ɔno nso afa ho akɔtɔn de ama nipa foforɔ. It will come directly from the office, the head office of the party. Enti di jana subetwa. Papa ne se yɛnka nkyerɛ mo sɛ yɛba abɛyɛ constituency based budget. Ɛno no ɛbɛboa ama enyuma ne deɛ ehia yɛn wɔ yɛ constituency no. Ɛyɛ na ne yɛbɛ decide. Ɛyɛ nya ɛna yɛbɛ decide. Yɛ decide wie nso na yɛyɛ saa adwuma na ɛyɛ na ɛna ɛbɛyɛ adwuma no. Woyɛ MPP ni carpenter ni a ne yɛba bɛsi school blocks ɛwɔ constituency a ubenya adwuma ne bia yɛnya afe ne yɛkɔfa carpenter afiri Accra. Ɛyɛ afe ne yɛkɔfa masoni afiri na atɔhye ne kurom. Woyɛ mason obenya bia, woyɛ tile layer obenya bia yɛ, woyɛ plumber obenya bia yɛ. The constituency bia no project na ɛbɛyɛ no. We will make sure say ɛyɛ constituency no ɛna lead saa adwuma no ɛma adwuma ne ɛdɛn ɛgyina ne nan so na ɛkɔ yie. Ɛnsɛm wɔ ne nneɛma bebree ɛna yɛwura Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia ɛde brɛ mo. Bawumia ɔnyɛ greedy person. Bawumia ɔnyɛ pɛsɛmenkuminya. Bawumia ɛnyɛ contract bi a ɔpa a yɛmfa ama no enti a aba hyɛ mo nto aba ama no. Bawumia yɛ nipa bi a ɔdɔ wɔne bie ohun nipa mɔbɔ enipa ama ne hunu kɔdaa na papa ne gye to ne ho so ɛsɔɔvo. Doctor nyɛ obi a politics obɛwura mu ɛyɛ about business a ɔno bɛnya yɛ. In fact, Papa Wenkwa na the only vice president in the Republic of Ghana. What to me assess the role of a vice president to become can say adorable position, because omo be di vice president ebrebe atwa mu nyira no. Obi bia ni ho a Ghana fo ma enya ne so mfaso. Et say Dr. Bawumia. Vice President bia ni ho a otumi gi din wo manum et say Dr. Bawumia. Vice President bia ni ho a otumi ma yehu say sana Vice President mpo tumi di adwene eko cabinet. Ema cabinet gitum, ema ye de beye emra, ema ye de yade pa, ema Ghana fo nyina. Minya be ma wo hweme. Wona sabio unni bie no. Doctor Semen Kanchiro say ono omuni ho se oye nipa ese no bia. Ena omuni ho se kakra bia wanya no ema ono ne ho wo mfaso ese no wo. Just because uniska. Na ma ono hu se obi bia efata so benya opportunity. Na eye opportunity ena ma enipa binom enya omo ho esene enkaifo. Enti doctor say mo amane say ama no na obedi party no so a de obetumi aye bia ama party members anya party no so mfaso no. Papa no say men kan tell say eno ne na koma so ade eno ne dai so. And then the Eda Naniswa and Amanusuntia or say Oba no Bedi, leader of the party, and then later become the president of the republic. And yet your non quasi per se obedintia. And yet Jumabia and yet Jumabia or pet. Yamfa mano entia papa ise manemra no medi the president of the republic. deɛ papa no ɛyɛ no ɛnyɛ sɛ bi a adwuma bi a ɔpenti a ɔyɛ ne saa na mbom no ɛyɛ ɔman no ne party no nka nko nti a papa yi si ɔpɛ sɛ ɔmmra na ɔmɛdi party n'anim producer think sɛ yɛwura ADOMAKO BAFFI ɛwɔ problem ɔyɛ sɛ ɔkɔnɛte ana na atekɔ I don't know what is happening nti sɛ ɔbɛtumi ɛne na di nkɔmmɔ na wahu what is going on anka ɛbɛboa paa mesrɛ wo paa mesrɛ wo a abusua yɛhwɛ yɛnwa ADOMAKO BAFFI but I'm say mendim sɛ the network na nya adwuma papa no sɛ me mo amane sɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ bio yɛbɛka ne sɛ anibere bi na aba ne tim a na wɔn nso nti ɔse ɔba bɛdi president but camp bi a yɛnyina yɛnim a yɛfɛ ne camp Kennedy Japan camp deɛ papa yɛ nyina ɛyɛ just because ɔpɛ sɛ ɔman no our economical affairs no any transactional issues no transactional conversation no ɔno media ni mu sɛ de bɛyɛ obetumi atwa fa kɛseɛ ɛde ama ɔno ne ho ɛne ne ma deɛ papa yɛ nyinaa kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ nibere bi na aba ne mu ɛnam bibi bi a ɔhwehwɛ a ne nsa nkaeɛ anaa ne nsa nka ɛnyina yɛ nim ɔsi yaba bɛyɛ Ghana card a yamfa ma ɔno ne ne Indian ɔfɛ ne sɛ ne Indian colleagues a ɔkɔfɔ ɔmo baeɛ yɛnyina nim sɛ adeɛ wei ne ha papa na ɛnam so ɛnɛ ɔsi yɛ man made the president there is no other reason yɛnim sɛ asisire bi a na papa wɔpɛ sɛ ɔmfa nsisiri Ghanafoɔ binom ɛwɔ nsaasesɛm ho a sɛ bio yɛwura nanado anyɛ nipa bɔne na ɔde ne nan sii fam sɛ ɔmma ne mfa amanfoɔ asase no yɛnim sɛ ɛno ɛna ama papa yɛ nɛ wayɛ beta ɔsi yɛ ka hwee a ɔntie yɛnim sɛ Kennedy Japan deɛ ɔhwehwɛ a deɛ ɔhwehwɛ ɛde afiri MPP party and say every contract in Ghana must to be given to him. Now listen to this video. He
embarrasses everybody. Now the officer make announce the meeting go with you. One in stories near Trazi. I say cast your burden onto Jesus for he cares for you.
Amen.
One and then NIA. Bibi anyone to send me American nas dear many Abraham moving people. Send me a missing community, won't it? But many time what to say one by one. And you see. And never I rest my case.
No, but it's under your
watch. But Missy and the one. National identification.
But the process is slow.
Now, question. Yesterday, almost say
the process is slow.
Aquano said the 1.2 was it 1.2 billion?
Yeah, that's good.
1.2 billion.
A balance again.
1.2 billion. Hey. 1.2 Ghana is
what's your problem
1.2 billion.
Are we looking at efficiency, competence, and
rubbish?
With this
the word is
modern technology.
Modern technology. You are talking to a population of 30 million.
No, all there.
1.2 billion. Now who will be at the 1.2 billion Eco Bank of Ghana? Who can want them into the other 4 million here? Now a do MPP swap so now 1.2 billion. Another kind also better the fool. This man is now saying, say, and you sabotage. When he met and confirmed was late, building no more because you want NDC from Kwano apart from one chassis. Or see me, Marco for India what Benti and I may say, woman. Men another kind also better the fool.
More bidding.
Yeah, Yes, I brought Indians. Me a businessman.
No one want Jahi. So that we advocate for it.
And you're very cheap. They were not even asking for $50 million. Why? So why are you telling me 1.2 billion? Are you mad? Are you mad?
Assemble baby.
1.2 billion? Ghana here. NDC
$50 million.
Yes, I'm catching.
As against 1.2 billion.
Are you out of your mind? Are you out of your mind? What do you mean?
But probably $50 million was not going to do
the efficiency. Company, a renowned company in the world. There are 2 companies in India with a population of 1.2 billion. The northern sector and the southern sector. For the southern sector for 600 million people. Can you compare that to 30 million for you to tell me they are not competent? Then they were willing to take 50 million and you 1.2 billion. Are you out of your mind?
Quiet.
I serve my country. I don't serve any political party. Case closed. I serve Ghana. I don't serve any political party. For you to come and tell us 1.2 billion. 1.2 billion for what? Maybe 200 Ghana cities. Who do you have a gun contact? 200 Ghana cities. Are you crazy? Move Ghana. Move forward.
Where are Zao? Papa, we know what Dredra were drinking and say. Tio, Kennedy Japan. Jana were drinking and not Tintia Munion and say. NIA4 contract, a year Ghana card, no. Yam farmer, no. Enti when your TV so akotena ena odin trodigu ampipi amanyoko na nima se o no akofa company bi aba company so obeji 50 million yamfa contract na man de akomo bi obeso obeji 1.2 billion na minya bema adwuma ben na wo wiase a obi so obeji 1.2 billion na nipa fufuro betumi aya amount at the cost of 50 million. Timi yipa. Enye possible. Enye possible. One Kennedy odin tro. But me persona wu what is our ye da? Now be ordering say he's fighting for Ghana. Master, don't let this man deceive you. The man is absolutely non-fighting for your country. He is fighting for his own personality. What would they do? No, you know. They don't know you and say call office hono. But be an idea Jumane comma contractors no. Call hono. Then ni pa fufuro bi mo ho a omonye ono. So the man has got disgusted and otetem. Pacho am people no. Eye papa we no kwane diana. Partner FM people no. Eye papa we ne nkwane diana. Eye ono nkwa ene se fata so benya contractor na. We na nam so na makene Japan na mo se man medi president no. Just he want to disturb Dr. Bawumia. Papa we nim so ene dan ya ware. Papa nim se ware. In fact, message kura yem fan konkoma delegates. That delegates in Jina so enfan to aba enfama papa no. Message abono and ayento kwa atemudie. Teasing, bullying people, insulting people. All can the only edify man for. Now, President today, by force. To be a president, is it by force? And I who tell you, say, so far as your young people in it, dear, said the Ethiopia, I was saying, fat party no moon, I don't know, dear, yes, some farm. Because me about me, Abema. So what for the Canadian upon a child? You can no recall obetimi remember wo team say berebi atwam this man was endorsing Dr. Bawumia and the do be na bisa ma ho say na den na si ya ama papa yi at all of a sudden wasesa na no wabayi different person na otwa adapa di ntro e kan sembone ente say the father of Dr. Bawumia ho. But me enam se mandi na tia chenti no me kan video bi no mbo ma na mate ase. This time papa ne person no ankasa lead the affairs of the country na watimi dia ye ne ho yie. Watimi dia sepe ne ho, watimi adokro ne ho, watimi ne ho fine guy, watimi disika. Nanka yese mpo dia senka nyansa wo. Adia papa we ye nyina ne say he want to disturb the party to make sure that the NDC can win the next elections because NDC want to pay his contract. Ajuma ye the man and Dananado the NPA. NDC for say he must to spend some of the money in distracting the NPP. And when Juma na papa we jina na nan so all ye ne be say 4 years in here. Abusianfoe me kanama sia kan si supiem being a successful businessman and no to me qualify e ma o meye a presidential material so we adwuma mu boss now to me share on yema yema wunyuma ekoyi a ene nche so betimi ba bedi aban betimi ba bedi nipa donma nim amana yeye because in your own company no you are the CEO e wo dia e wan kasa wa japade de open na wo de enye obi na be kiro de fa ye de wo dwene nyina ene kwanya wo be fa so a ubetumi anya mfaso afiri adwuma na uye no mu. Now to be a president, you know, is something completely different altogether. So be a president ya. And this said the CEO of a company also no pa. Na okese obia ma obia majuma obi ntumi contestel obeye president ya enam se ye frade bi democracy ntino ye wade bi nso aso ye frade constitutional emra ewom a ekire de aban no betumi aye ne aban ne ntumi ye ena de aban ne betumi aye na kwan ben so na wo so mfa so anse na watumi de aye otumi aye. And this obey president now say we Mr. No Nonsense Manner. So we see a moment the president because we Mr. No Nonsense Manner. Masa, it doesn't make any sense in it because se ube the president na ade bia obey no. It was said the constitution of the country no ema wa kwanya so betumi ayesa ade no enti omo amona ma na mo kan ena ye pe no nonsense man in Japan there no nonsense man o ye obeyi wadi na hwan na hwan no. If when you become the president you are not allowed to do whatever you want to do and tenesa Kennedy ntumi nye foko because emrana ema wakwanya ma obeye president and it say we the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces no samrana no ekire wo kwanya wo se wo mfa so na waya ade anything that you want to do enti ema obi nada wo say Canada Japan Mr. No Nonsense man to koto abama no wo yes why you mistake oba saying sabi one po kaseti awon ono de kro po oba wa wi e be pam na fra konwa so because the done team say the open oil ntino obey your dini kwanse oyo na ye the constitution na impeaching of the kunyaso enti mesre delegates mesre mo say monto abamfa mali Dr. Bawumia because presidential position no ye de ho ye de nimdie ene tena ho nya atemudie na ye de tena ho presidential position nye obi anano eya enye obi otumi tisi enye obi otumi di amanfo atem kese enye obi okana kokoso asem na ye de tena presidency enye obi asabio ne tachere man da nanum ontumi nkantum Okromount, enye Okromount. The presidency is a very, very serious and very important position to handle. I was like a video on na phone says ADOMAKO. The presidency, the position of the presidency, dear. Sabio ehia nimdie titrew ehia compassion ebehia so beye nipa bi asabio uwa akoma uwa doye na utumi nya adaji mpo editie wa nkasa umanfo nsem a omobeka because when nya adaji antie nsem a umanfo ebeka bia na opese wo nya de bi onim senka wo ye no woni papam na so na bewie no na akwana akoya asem. To be a president, you need a serious emotional intelligence amu eduru. Emotional intelligence etimi ma unya abotre tie nsema nipa ka na mpon sa asem na ye kan ba bitwu a obenya ntobose tie ni nyina adwene ho anso ba bontra ba beka ho asem a ba bontra ba beka enye ye ni presidency with by heart talking, quick temper, abufoso and amena me wosika and amede. You don't chop presidency with that. And the message that is a moment ko to abanem fanko yi nipa. Osombo owo nimdie owo abotre owo tibia owo tibia tibia edema nipa dasani na o underestimate a nipa because of sewo nisika to abama nipa odwene se enye sika nko a ene ade a ehia wo wiase na ye nto abama nipa odwene se wo ye hia ni a nkyere se wo ye kasa amanka bi sa nipa no ene Dr. Bawumia entie ye wofa KT Hammond emra sisia
adia ye tu sa kwa no monte se ye dwa ye dum wo gada ha sei ade ni pen bia ye din nya se ye di bi ko but mo ye wasikafo mo hia wo a mo misa won se ansa na MPP ebe win first election no member na mo discover do mo he enne bibia ba ebi mo afa kwa bi so wo mo anya sika de chawo to mo di twayempoa
Kennedy Japan at the gym.
I hear for the I don't know. Tam na na ye pesika ye dia ye MPP no and na sika for no mo he asama me pesa me kana no no aye me wo we na mpo atwa de edi twa ye pesika 1990s na ansa na yete ye party na ye sika no e de ye de be edu point be 2000 election 1999 no ni ye ni kapreba meme to see why ye call baby ye be ko pesika am ye de ye MPP e be ye party ye de ye abai ye be ye winning machine no say dependent no am ye dede we sika no am ni baby o no wo mu kapredim yadia yetu sakwa no monte se ye gwa yadum wagada ha sei ana ni pen bi ye din yesi ye ni bi ko but mo ye wasikafo mo hia wo a mo misa won say ansa na MPP ebe win first election no remember na mo diskaba do mo he enne bibia ba ebi mo afakwa bi so wo mo anya sika de chawo to mo di twayempoa let me can here for party no ho abronya party no me ka ho Dr. Bawumia woka ho we pay that wo twabrofo bi okoshe musa was say unfortunately Zimbabwe do not have the kind of money that is being splashed around just like the rest of you me to mo apio me ye note bi komo bi wapada kasa oni says can be mo says can be no one the only delegate no omu ye ni says can be mo sika no monfa party no a member moja and yade ye and as asokofo and zona meda so nyina no ye nyina no anya sikasab wo ma sabri se ebi mo adibia ye enti mo ma yenso yenkodi ye dibi na busubu nibi o ma no sikadie nko na aba sika o ma ni mu sikadie nko na aba ne nan say ye kwaye election no Mobakaya, Obi Bibia Wapenti, ya brega na ha bre campaign na Dr. Bawumia campaign, ya the half near the car a pachao amagana for no Obi or Kwani Bibia Wapenta. Ye ya near Begina say, oh, ya money if you want to be the president. Our bottom some say ya can wagana ha. Ya can say wa Adasia Matimatra and fear at Lodun nine. Namunim Sabia Cramoni. Papa we mo hwa de ma na ya yi no na sanne program bi okoye no abrochire ye ne abrofo de batra ya muhu na mo hwe me se bete brofo na me tie papa brofo wote abrofo mu na economics de wo kadam se enna nila wanda le raje no ya fa papa we ya my president wo gada ha ya ba bro top me an kasa bi na he sata me you know some man see from the kind of a year make and na bibia ma ya hu say nkontrol no ya doso is a general election a internal primaries ya ya ba be yeah and some over can wo primaries na we e ko be election at the whole kind yeah last primaries no some go for kai do general election no and some and this for no e be a campaign against e ye ne ayansa na e kai no a plain example so obi the campaign say ba we ye kremoni enti na ya anto aba no nsu ya enti be tikro be why dey ni say be kremoni ma to aba ma me fie say did that one say me pa singe ma agabo to aba ma be when no ebi ni we say na ya ka na wa furi ya ka o tie ni wo ka ro ya me shira wa e fi ma kwa sha wa no no ba no say o be stand listen me control body wa mu ni mi no we be na wa so na me shira wa bi adu na wo adababa me ni ye no kra ba ko pe abe ya ka kire no ya support to ya ko ya this is what go for we aba je me ya dai man say me nua me na akusi me ya dai this me go ka je ba pa de say unti no ma free da chi wonu wa go fa say mo ya ba ana won so me hu say na me ya engineer wo ya be dai iti asokwa ya me ka cha asokwa fo say mon to aba no me nua ni na me nua ata akura de sa na ba mi aso e bi aketwa na me ne na bobre ya ni ade nti no ya akobare no monto na se ne amoto a me nya me giba dance say super prime minister e go to ma so me to ma kana Japan obi abi o mo no mo ba bia ho no mo choro ye o mo de kala blue for yellow for na red we are dangerous and yellow no dia o na ye hu ye o mo de ba kire me wa ba wo na da ha do asande region wo na da yellow we say kind of number ye e bro so one e wa enti no omo ne me traba obi am meeting no when can the bia basic ho bia no me ho de ba ye ba fie ana ye ba office ya ne me say Now, who are the Sana? What's me, Yabasasa? Okay, and now we're going to first one, but never person Obeka 5. So we can't home. Obeka 5 when I get my top here. I didn't super delegate to know. Yeah, but Obeka home. This is what we come home. The main one, no, I don't know, they come and prove from. It's the Bawumia main one. Number 2, we say. I feel way. And sometimes you see problem when I miss so never acquire to see any other. This is my email. Say, yeah, it's all right. But yeah, so I know, season, yeah, no, no, dynamics. And never of far, but I cannot listen years ago. Since saying, yeah, Mahuno, thinking about me, and just I'm the president, I don't know, and the president,
Enti de KT Hammond ewo edema Canada Japan camp ene Brian. Yes, interbusuete ni yepa. Se uti asama papa yi kan ya. E kiro bibi. Empanfo na mo party no ma yo mo research o. Me se na me no ka se ya NDC fo suro Dr. Bawumia. Omo suro no kura. Enti entra mo bi mfa sika me dada na me wo sika nti beto aba ma ne ma bia djuma ma fa nipa 7,000. That get MPP ni ba wutie mi ochina wo kwa akoto aba. Amenka asuma asem bi mfa nkyerɛ wo. Na fa ye agina so asem ekoto aba ochina. NDC ayefe ne NDC. Omo ankasa. Omo akondo to research. Research no. The outcome ne say Bawumia is more famous than every NDC ne or Abaimu. Apart from John Mahama. And this will be tia. NDC for your research in we no. Almost shall say more test what test ya. So ombe to me the Mahama babi amana ye because when you say Mahama almost sand than a bar. A more probably so be Timiani because of Tia Kunyaso or Abaimu. And a man forcing him no. Kana foster a bebrenano good willing at the Major Mahama. In the end, this a research who said no. Papana ye feni Bawumiano, a powerful. Said 2028. Any new NDC presidential candidate or modern beba Bawumia baby tino. When NDC for Shasia, no or more testing waters, or more Shasia Kasafa, and we want to bring Mahama third time and all those things. It is because of the outcome of the results, research no moye, you know. And nuntiana NDC for Shasia, then finding a way to see Segana forbid to me accept John Mahama to come and contest again in 2028. And the NDC slow, NDC force slow, Dr. Bawumia pa. Delegate Bugona Meno Kasei. And the NDC for year research, we are more tested what test ya. Or who say what test in favor of their pride and of their willing. Some of them are hammer about BM no. And no more shall say bar bontain NDC for Ankasankasa. And shall say bar bontain say they are coming to campaign for Kennedy and Japan. Yepa. Because NDC for who say, so when the Kennedy and Japan bar a easy chop. Because one, NDC tiabaimu, MPP to opposition, NDC were all the resources obe to me at the ayeden. Aye buga o kwambisu dienya were a victory in 2028. Easy NDC afa. The military security NDC afa. The judiciary NDC afa. The electoral commission NDC afa. NDC in power or every political party in power, you have these 4 solid agencies. Omobetimi aye opeden at the amount. Ama widen when ya de wo and this year kofa John your friend is saying Kennedy Japan na your NDC candidate papa onipa bi oyem no uncontested Dakurampona still ano. The probability say NDC betimi win 2028 no more than 75% because omone ti abaimu sika ewo ho electoral commission ehye omomotoam police any military ehye omotoam judge ehye omomotoam the Supreme Court Timiyepa. And the NDC knows say on the fertile grounds whereby NDC MPP or the new person the young fan koto ballot box or ballot paper so that it is 75-85% say NDC will win the election at one touch. And in tia who's NDC for Babontia or Mugusua a campaign ADOMAKO de Japan. So when year most of the NDC supporters you know more social media no so no they always want to write or to post or to comment on things. I say maybe like Japan is not well treated. All the NDC social media apologies or more comment your muma post or more post na asifu nyinano. Hey, Kwambi said they are trying to capture the mindset of the MPP delegates. Kennedy Japan is the best candidate for the MPP in 2028. Because the Omoyane said they are convincing the MPP delegates to vote for Kennedy Japan or Bejiremua a fertile ground. Omo all the support or her on to media support or more candidate no amanawene on MPP. Because me be ma wo hwe me timi ye. Dr. Bawumia said an American. Say do not compare the political history of our presidents Omoba be digana mansu nyina. Dr. Bawumia is an example of Jenny meka akwantu a omo be di president o man no mu nyina na akwantu o mutu ye no. Dr. Bawumia atu sa kwan no bi akase ebeke so ye president. President Omobe Digana konwa nyina no. O tu ne to afira konwa so a. O hand over edema enipa onena ko contest. Pay. Let's begin from who? From Yewura J. Kufuor. Or let's begin from Jerry John Rawlings. Yewura Jerry John Rawlings in 1992, on Yewura Dubois and a contest here. Anko Yama Yewura Dubois. 1996, Yewura J. Kufuor and Rawlings in a contest here. Anko Yam Farmer Yewura J. Kufuor. 2000, Yewura J. Kufuor a contest here. Yewura Jerry John Rawlings and Okre. Jerry John Rawlings dane akunyano de ma Yewura J. Kufuor emane ye 2000 atam eya Jerry John Rawlings hande over de ma Yewura J. Kufuor abra na atamels oye aba fresh ewo presidential contest 2004 Yewura J. Kufuor sanso ne atamels share biem eno nso no Yewura J. Kufuor ka atames eti eto form 2008 Yewura J. Kufuor hand over edema atamels na J. Kufuor hand over man no ne na gina asia kan empremier nsaso ansana Yewura atamels etimedi nkonim ye free on so na ye ba Yewura atamels ne Yewura na nado danko Kufuor crash ye since 2000 and on a share second 2008 and on a contest ye 2012 unfortunately atamels wo kwan mu yankopon fa ne kransie and a John Mahama ebedi akunya and on so no oni je oni na nado danko Kufuor na contest ye 2016 John Mahama obeto Yura Tamils na Juma Sono hande over the power to Yura Akufo Adwa na oneno ehia pen ewo contesting. Pacho temi yepa. 2016 Mahama J Kufo Mahama Nanado Danko Akufo Adwa. Ena Yura Nanado wene 2020 Yura Nanado enwene against John Mahama. 2024 Yura Nanado Danko Akufo Adwa hande over the power to Yura who John Darega Dramani Mahama. Enti ne Empanfo kan asem say history repeat itself. As Chen say the ebesi no anase history dacha eksekre ne sika na otwim. Ensema isisi no aya na san repeat no. Ena me no ka say Yura Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia ene John Mahama contested 2024 Mahama wene. Mahama is leaving the throne on 2028 by force on contest BM. Into here, why no be hand over the amano? Yura Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. Some people for two about the Mayura J Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo badi achire that Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia omoto about the manner John Mahama has no other option than to handle over power to Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. He had the political history, the consistency factor near joining in Abomua. Everything is clear. Say, Yura Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia is coming to win. Now remember this. And this if only in some way, you know, omonim ni yepa. Omonim ni yepa. Say, dealing with Dr. Bawumia is not an easy bottom to press. And this if when you say Kwanya John Mahama efa so olusu aba 2016 ene Kwanya Professor Evans Fifi Atamels elusu election 2000 no. It is a yade bia omunimu say the same thing about happen in 2028. That is their biggest nightmare. Nightmare, yeah. The NDC nightmare, and they say, what is going to happen is going to be like 2000. Kwanya Jeko for fast so our G to me free John Robinson. Some the NDC believe that is what is going to happen. The NDC some believe we say Kwanya Namswa 2016 John Mahama no yes sitting president and so Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo enam say na wadi kan aton yedi kan ton no na Ghana for nim ne ho asem yi ntino. Even though Mahama has not had his all 8 years in government no Ghana for to about the Mayura Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo. Ghana NDC for him say 2000 Kwanya Yura J Kufo efa so G to me free. Papa Jerry John Robinson sem for Obiano Wadi Akonya 20 years as a president. And so MPP for Timika Mohu Bomu Eji Akonya free John Robinson sem no. San MPP for believe say NDC for be any say Trolota say 2028 Omu say the Dr. Bawumia ba ombeja to me Dr. Bawumia because Dr. Bawumia is the most recognized politician in the country called Ghana today. Bema. And yet 2024 near Shas about Dr. Bawumia dini. 2015 solid campaign and Dr. Bawumia yeah. 2012 campaign and Dr. Bawumia yeah. 2008 campaign and Dr. Bawumia yeah. All these things joined together. Ama Bawumia ba the most recognized politician in the country called Ghana today. And fear Dunsia and at Papano Edi, the first four front runners of our political history. And fear Dunsiani. Oh, bank and no Timisumano say Uncle Sensu Mramauno. And to be a wadi Ghana Manyo Semanim and fear Makuma Dunsia. I know how can't let me say that papa no ain't ready to serve the country called Ghana, then it baffles my mind. And I ask myself, what are we actually expecting? Or what do we actually want? Where processor papa we affirm in his political experience. Say ye kase nipa yatete no wamanyo semu. Ye tete no mananyi ni mana bedroom pempenso bi. Na watima babedi president mana be ye pa. That person is whom we call Dr. Bawumia because he has gone through all the phases in our political young kind of say expediency. He has gone through all. Wako election I lose 2 times. Wawene a co-election I lose 3 times. So the 2 times as a vice presidential candidate. Wawene elections 2 good times as a vice president. And a Walusu election 1 time as a president. Potential president. What else? Experience being and about me here answer what Timaba Betigana Mayani. MPP delegates. We are talking about a man who believes, say, we are saying, and Satin Yepe. We are talking about a man who believes, say, equity must be the standard of the day. Balancing in a society must be the basics of the day. Ye kasafa papa or no drene se Ghana man be kona nim Ghana man be fan ntoma pafra enema be ko ye wo Ghana man mu a we need to involve all the youth in the country in the artisan sector of the country. So there be a man for betu aba ye independent. Na a man for betu me creative for themselves. Dr. Bawumia doesn't have interest of bringing in their force or mumefa Ghana and fana or mumfa or mummy company or mumfanya jumamani and share. Dr. Bawumia want to build your country for you. And he want to build the country with you. Ye kana ye ka. Now a man for the country said that be papa no ye weak. Now a man for the country no papa no ye weak. Or ye decisive. A ban see ye decide there. Or you be or stand firm. That get your ultimate. Yes, in so you know emfanipa. So in so she emfanipa. And so you know mom let me fanipa. Mpayemfo so say ankure hunu ene ye dede ankure hwinim we say upaja firi ba bia ko ba bia ebe ye dede saa so na hwinim wa wote abrochire bia no ana wa wote Ghana wo ma abrochire da no ya na wa firi onwe bi no bi sansa na abrochire omo president na omo te sen na omo su na omo ban te Adolfo delegates. Let me tell you something. Enipa dasani wo hoi. Yemfa tre kai. Yemfa dede, yemfa huna and a govern a human being. The emotional intelligence. The intellectual capability. And I had to me the day a governor yɛde hwɛ nipa dasani so. Aburukyire ha. Leaders no mu nye dede o, unti omo nka o. But what they do is they create strong institutions. Ima mi estabari ma me mwakwa ba yepa. Omo create strong institutions a eye chain bia upe you have to fix yourself in it. Obama catch the Ghana for say, I catch like they can say the whole Africa say, we don't need strong men to be leaders, but we need leaders, sir. Omube create strong institutions, sir. Some institutions no and na behwe nipa no so ama nipa na a conduct omo as a good people in a society. Asem no Obama kan ye no. Ya no ye kese edema enkrofo no omo se Dr. Bawumia nye he nipa. Onye obi oye dede, ontiatiam, onni nipa tem, onfa ma ase enye won. Ongu mpanfo anim ase, enka de open chiramanfo. Omo se enam so onye saa ne ma boni we bi ntino. Oye so weak. Hey. Get the fuck out of here. Unim nipo ye weak. Say being polite, being confident of yourself and being polite at the same time. And a man nipa ye weak. Yeah. And I think say we don't have sensible and strong mentalities in the world. Because a nipa mo adwene a mood do. Adwene a mood do kese no. Muti jinabre eye jina pintino. They don't just come out and insult people, shout on people. No. They don't do that. Among the systems, among the decisions, the term decisions, laws, regulations, and then security among them mobile. And the debate can't just say Nkotwaba Dr. Bawumia because or you weak leader piano. Sinipani say who can't just say a nipano mom nandana na huapwa to say ojain ana ponche ana ponkwa say yen kene chia a chima onimus or ye mistake. Catches a nipano mom na or ye ojain because he don't believe in system, institution, laws, regulations or milivu. And disobey tiasema. I just say yeah, TM one asuma bopona asumans no what ye. But Dr. Bawumia manner of doing no. Yeah, more asumo. But we put you in a manner beer you cannot go on. And then Ghana care Dr. Bawumia de baye. So I'm family. I'm majorly pastor say ye bowachi. Kwe Ghana card. Or majority TV so anti-TM. And a massacre we ye na. We DC and that's why CEO. Na one ye Ghana card a messake. Ye Ghana card no. Ye the Ghana card na ba be ye a dear bititrobia. Opesa unye bibia wa man no mu hia. And it's also nkwa Ghana card be atena ho. Ebeshia babeto, you will run and go there and do it. And na me no kase. Bra Ghana card buy ya na ye ni free no and Ghana card NDC for the 200 Ghana cedis. Oma Ghana card yira mpo na so kwa akoye fufura ye 200 and your first time I ye 100 Ghana cedis. As a children say you don't need a strong man to make people conduct themselves as a civil people, but you need a strong institution ebe implement systems ebe conduct nipa no manu mufo mano ebe conduct omo in one line. That is all we need. And nipa hena Onye obi oba betwe baade agina wo so. Onye obi okofa soja for say ye mebro. Enye obi asabi okofa so police for so omomra wo fie mebo. Na mbom ode mra ne nhyehyeye e na bema wadi wo huni as a citizen no. Sa nipa ne Dr. Bawumia. You yourself will regret if you do misconduct, because the punishment that will come to you is not a physical one. Sadia no na brofuna ye ne haya ene broni etikam na opake kura na ohwefo ye ba bi ode ne kaa esi because osuro so hwe obeba ye twa bere de ama no iso kutua kuruma wu se traffic police kita ba no di twa obi o wo de di nsemfo go home and your letter will come to go and pay amount of money until you pay no to your china from tomorrow going you will start setting yourself with your mind, your mentality. One kasa no besha ase asset no amana nya baby amana di mraso your mindset no one na obesisa sanity. So this is what we are talking about. Enipa da sania na adwene mu do no betumi de mrane nhyehyeye asesango man no ma ho ato. That is Dr. Bawumia. Enye yenkofa na yentra nhwe na me de meto nkukofunu na me de me say dabi. That cannot be the best way to lead a country. To lead a country, obviously, to be a leader is very complicated. It needs passion. It needs willing. It needs really what them call compassion, and it needs intelligence. Uhio biana kumadani yam enye tempered. Na ye cool person. Otumija emotion tone change na make senses out of his speech. Enye papa na ano osi Dr. Bawumia ka sembi ye ka kire na no di America no be de hey unim aban to be a leader unim nsama hodo you have to keep them secret, you don't have to say it to anyone. Many inte ko fan kuruman to be transform na me ye president ya. Now it means like we are selling our country to somebody undeserved to be the leader. And to a delegate now with Yemia, Messi will say, Ochna, Bomodrea, Nakoto Aba, Sabio, a super one faswa, Abatwa, a bit to meeting Koswa, Aba, Wabrabum, Koto Abama Nipa, one farm more, a beshe with some change the Koto Aba. Na mbra o fele o form so mna meye electoral area wine district wine police station wine otna ni fie send you sika said na fa ko fele o forms. That person thinks about your personal development. And only Dr. Bawumia enye obi a onfa wo ho aduru se ba beto abai e na okosesa mo any anwa ede bre wo se je na ye den na to abama me sa nipa no omu so ye nipa sa nipa na dwene se wo no ye obi aduane a obedi nko an hia wo sa nipa na dwene se wo ye day by day nipa wonne plan wonne daache onwene nko akiri de ohwehwe a it is wafu ayema na ode nam ho. It is an insult to your intelligence if somebody come in and offer you such things in change of your vote. I wish I menum so aba na ya to aso yenti video we
majority leader, minority leader, minkandi akedi nyina chairman ani mpanyimfo a ye hia nyina eye me de seminuanom ayi mi se mi seniors bebre wo ha ba wo mo se me na mi nyina former MPs na nim na menkasa yewra Bawumia mi dikai ene wo akasa ansa na makọ me manfo so doctor sa onyankopon ma wo fa election yi cheap a wan hwe a won kase ye nyame na aye enti onyame ma de wo hu ni nyina wo mo hu nse ono ena de wo twa opokoko no enti doctor wa akoma to yem se entokwa ne ye bete a obekasa ye wa ho odin ena ade koye enti de wo hu ni nyina eye because of ekwan ye nyame atwa to ho enti doctor obekwa kodu keina doctor emre bia mehiaw emre bia mehu emre bia mehu o TV so wade ba ko pe humility enipa mo ha nyina ye hia ha obi adi wo ho adanse wa ho brase ekwan a wo koto echia nananom eni wa wo mpanyimfo nyina obi abehu no bia akoto chia do doctor onyame ka wo ho onyame adom ena ma wo hunu saa no ma ni nyina na wo ye nya wa ho odin na onyame no a wode wa hya ase no doctor 2028 obema resource bia wa obeka say urade entimi nie doctor hwe enoma wa ye doso bosumi mienu ni nam wo US se US for you so zip line no msi wo mbesua Africa na dia doctor onyame hira wo se US you so zip line now drones na wo msi wo mbesua Africa na doctor onyame hira wo say African countries ni nyina so wo mu use drones no abefa wo mu workers ni free Ghana ha doctor onyame wonhira wo minim se enoma ni doso akasafo be doso obesa akoba bi yetimi nkansem bebre ba me nuan ma mehia ha me ka kire mo se mo yi doctor to nchen a mo sei Ghana se mo ma doctor ekotena nchen a mo sei Ghana me kwa me nua me gina ha me hia obi asika me nyu sika da wo di sika no be chem ya me mpe me pe no kura because me mane me nananom ehia Ghana eti hoda enti se wote ha na se wadwene ye wo se ye betimi ama wo sika e betimi ahwe wakopem se obewuo dia ene efiri doctor echi ye hia amamu a ebema nkoda wo mo Ghana nyina enya nidaso ye hia amamu a ebema wo ba wo ko school ye ba ye nurses no na ebose no o modwuma na woi onyankopo aboa yen doctor ye de no kwa 2024 ese wo mu kafa no hu nyina enne onyame ayi ni nyina no doctor ko gina ho wo mu ni hu asem bia ka bie se wo mu si doctor enam ne so nana entokwa ekọ wosirem enti dia aba ne ya ebia pie president na ekrom no so ye doctor onyankopon so onyankopon okase wodu be ye adwuma odu be ye na emom ni mre ene obemna ba samrei wo mu nsama wo mu ka ye nyina onyankopon yi ano enti se de doctor kona wo mu ni asem bia ka biem o ya de doctor kona wo mu ni asem bia ka biem wo mu dollar no wo mu di ye dede no doctor me ni di nkomo no wo se adabo nyabotre na sa wo di nkontompo e ka safa dollar ho a enokre no abeda di ene ya wodem ha ye be pia kwa abontin na dollar na sa pagya abusuafo me ka sa kire mo se o kwa akoto aba anwini de obedi ene ho sa wo ye sa de no na wo ye omambofo dweninia obema wo daachi wo ma wo nananom ye ne abrochirefo difference aye wo ani o abrochire mo dwene nkoda ho ba ye ne ye mpanyimfo aye ye abufo enti ye dwene ye ne aye botom ne ya ton ye maro daachi abusuafo aba ye koto mi gina hei manu sina doctor pekwa me kobuno east me wadwuma obuno east afri ne ya Moses ifra kra ba me ne kobuno east yakoya adwuma no I will never rest until se me unse Dr. Bawumia aye president wanu ya no ma bia me nim nua no aye gina ha nyina ya je atum se be ya adwuma den ama ye wura Bawumia abe ye president ya sum our parliament ya sum ministers ni ade nyina wo ha o masum wo kwan bebre so enka obi ti se minua ya wo ye sports minister samre ebia nkote ne ba bi o wo se doctor eba meko yewura Benito ofri Dubai ene buy because of this meeting yewura ono so tu ko mu nyina bedu because I was see be doctor Chidom abusuafo onyankopon o the black any white ato anim ɔso pese uhunu ne ewo a fa white no wo pese no be ba so a go for the black nti abusuafo efiri nne a ekoi ye nyina ye koya adwumaden ne de ama doctor mimi de minim se enam se onyame ahyira no nti no resource no a eba no ye ne yankasa ye te akura be ye nwanwa nanka se nye MPP a hello enye MPP a ena ye MPP ena ye nsem ye style bia nka samre awo se doctor nka o ansa John Mahama ne no ma wo ye ena odi nam ha e ka party asem ka wo se samre John Mahama no ma wo ye na enye no ena nka wo ansa no enso wo te ha e defend wono ane ho party no mu eye miserable no ma ekoso a enye no anka wo so kasa fa ho no onya time enka awo se nsem ankofo kafa no ho no obeyia no. This is not the MPP a ye nyina ye ni da so da achi o enti abusuafo me hyem nkran se Dr. Bawumia woti hai wo ye president in waiting ya mpel wa waba because yes bra enti no waba na woni Bawumia fan wo free ha change your mind if you say mumpel papa no president no obedi obi anyame ahyira no nipa ntimi mo ni dua papa me ba ne office me fra broche US ba bedru Ghana no na me call ne office man kofie me call the office straight papa no enei wo hu wo mu aye wo nafa ene wo mu aye ni nafa nti aban no ba oni team a oni wo mba ye adwuma eno ti no afra wo ha no wo ka ne team no ho ye nya president bia wa ka kire ye se obema constituency bia 10 appointments mo matibida osaka assembly yamfa ya dwena nkoho o se yabaye constituency based budget anya akra na wo se wotena ho kire budget a memde ya adwuma wa adwuma o mina minim kwan a enye wa adwuma Bawumia se obaye constituency based budget abusuafo se hiri Dr. Bawumia ya se Ghana onyame hira mo nyina
abusuafo se hiri Dr. Bawumia ya se Ghana we any the last message ya ene eba Thomas Mafo wo de monkoso mo ye we need job ana monkoto abamfa ma Kennedy why that man cannot solve the job creation problem a different process na ye decrete nyuma a man be sustainable e wa dey very sustainable job enya or abai any creating nyuma man be sustainable. All sustainable jobs are being created by individuals in the country. Abusema be phone lines now to move for now wadwen. Aye. Thomas Mafo pobe to me for now wadwen. We don't have any issue. Me Esther Kebari wa me mwakwa ba pada wase. Nana akua afro. Mami afro wonso me mwakwa ba da wase. Ene obre. Chanso na me kwasi asamoa wonso me da ase pa ene obre. Adofo amoba yenyina kwadwo donko kwasi asamoa James Asante ena lover stay in Cobes. Wonso me chia pa. Na be phone lines na to musu to me frɛ na wakire wadwen na yekoye ne momfa ncheme na nanke was say ADOMAKO BAFFI emra, but I don't know what happened. He was trying to connect, but he was not able to connect. So I think there was an issue with his phone. Hey, mami, a step into my fat the call 10 in tea the number 7. Hello, Mami Esther. Oh. Hello. Mami Esther to say. Ejo so power pomo do bi amfrɛ. Yeah, is a baby be oh. Eno kro. Dum say enya mi o.
Jira obi aye busy. Easy. Yechia Ghana phone nyina yechia watiefo akona yechia obi bia owodo edima o my Ghana osa wodo ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia delegate any Usia him to a hen the year bomb to join because I say, yeah, me about 2024 year campaigns media used to say super highways. So, ebo a man for Cocosa, we are saying, yes, I dear na ye near bigger MPP and I hear Ghana for more nya botre se obi ehwe so na ofaya omu tete ne mo rem no wo bre na so de hwe a ya menyi nipa ne nyeden emma na ko se Ghana for nya botre de ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Ghana for nya botre de ma MPP for yes eniema bebre covid ni ade by amansa bebre ama MPP hu be ye hin ene wo hwe me na wo tie me a wadwene mu do a wukuta nyansa wa trust ne busa se MPP NDC ba for 1 year dey no maye omunye hwe ana me bo me samafo
omunye hwe na mo ba na mba dey no maye
the MPP ye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne na ado ye no enu na NDC fo edi so aba ana me bo
no
enti ye pese ye ka se delegate fo mo ko to aba no so wo feel se bia wo de wo ho atowa na so bokwa kofa onipahu bi de na bade a eto jewala but so wo hwe se de amammo no kono na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne be hye sa niema we nyina NDC fo enjoy dia ene ekọ ne kutuso no ne safa ne bra he will do better than what he has done before he will perform more than anything nti yesremo ye di nyame din sremo ye koyeko todwanim ye di ka be ma Ghana fo nyina akokọ se nipa na munim na efe no John Daraga Mahama no mamu nkofa ne ma etisra ye sremo ne se munfa sa campaign na ye no 2024 na man di end no munfa embra back na mumhu se kan ye kan okra kire mu so what ye say ye te ha ye te diaspora ha ye nim se de abrochire omo hwehwe omo niema fa president bi ja niema bi wo ho a de oba afoforo no na beba ba beto aso no wa ye ni nyina but mo amunim say NDC doesn't believe continuity or the mukabro
absolutely no
believe sa niema no omo ba ensamfun e no mo beye eti se sia me pese me busa delegate otu ahinsi ahine se sia ya omo sponsor ayi yoboyo yi di di bebre sia me ba platform square me hu di a me mfanye den e ma no bi ayi elomas de e mfa ma ni bi nkoso onu elomas hu ba bia onya gentleman elomas won board am se de we wa board am no eti esremo delegate osi ahin tu ahine monko na monko chusu Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia number 3 who can frasi a number 3 who can free so oye number 3 sijinaye efama wudachen sijinaye efama umadachen ka hu se aban ya wote so yenya de obedi anim nto wote ho enen samfu no wodie etisimo akoyi kandini papa amfa na amba ebedu se mo be structure mo niema nyina bewie no na Mahama ton so wono am ka so katam say mo de ne be obeton Ghana mo refi ana mo refi dia me de me refi o because we say mo was short memory yenya yete diaspora no yenyina ye hwe niema o adia na wo se na ado ye no adia na wo se MPP ye no eno na Mahama baye oye ni nyina o kire mo say mo was short memory association etima mo ma John Daraga Mahama asem o kan ye no emba between mo any MPP abato ya mokoto delegate for this is a challenge for you challenge way extra how your mind faster how you can think and make decision for yourself woman NDC make a decision and fama wontena ho ema Kevin Taylor and make decision and fama so kwana kokofa Canada Japan fabra no mu wi o masa akotena o sa tena basement wo aka che so wo wan this MPP ni no wadimi please mun choose wiser na mo fa Dr. Mamudu Bawumia mra me wo gidie wo makoma mu say mo de ne ba so ye kremodi so ye die eno no ye beto atwene ballem because enkurasefo ene agimifo ene mo de traba eye politics
Yeah.
ye so nsamfo so me ya santini pio oye kremoni oye den oye muslim ni as far say obama krono atumpon ama krono anima koso ye no ene na wo animi mienu ye hwehwe e de ama ye man and then the baby of training a region region o ze ka the sign ne brofo no mo fancy say o ma me and ye be so e de tie NDC for propaganda because omo ma me chim omo to wa na propaganda ye de twa omo fruma so what you say no kraba akukura nim da bi omo be di akonwa ntoro nkwa no mo de ba eti Ghana for munyini mfiri sa niema wemu na mo nkoto abapa emfama Dr. Mamudu Bawumia enough is enough ya bread propaganda for party no na se we mufi na man fa nsue nyansa de a na to gemala me sama afo me da sinyame nshira
Me da nso ase pa ma me nyame nka ho.
me sama afo le yo tre
Otimenka. Mami Esther. Oh. Mami Esther, akuru su konam se na de me kan wonte. In any case, I was young for my beautiful license to Musu to me friend na watch the wadring a program no so. Yenti video way na yensamra sisia.
I want to play a certain video here for us to watch and discuss the content of the video. So I'll play the video here for us to watch so that the content of the video will be what discussed. Mabia yenka na video sha mba na daju nka egwaka. Egwaka na katana ntwa kapune ndi asate dem kapune. Na ndi asogo. Hey, mama.
You know my thought.
Wait, Thank you. The video you've just viewed. Is a video that was taken when Kennedy Adepon's team for the Northeast region visited the Nalugamba constituency. They informed all delegates to gather to this so that they will commit them and give money to them as Kennedy Adepon has allocated. The delegates gathered. Some were still on their way coming. Those who were on their way coming were even more than those who were present. So when they realized that the monies they were giving, or if they were going to give all the monies to out, they will not make money away, they decided to bring a rule. And the rule was that if you are not present here, if delegates who were not present, they were not allowed to take, no one was allowed to take monies from them. So the delegates were now coming. So upon realizing that no, the rule they brought was not going to work, they decided to run away with the money. So that's a video you just watched. They ran away. They are Canada, Japan. The monies you gave to your coordinators to give to delegates, they refused to give them. They ran away with the money. I am here to tell you that the monies you've given to the the coordinators or your campaign team to give to delegates to vote you tomorrow, they have run away with the money. Your regional campaign coordinator for the Northeast region, the Nalugamba constituency campaign team, the coordinator, plus their driver, they came this morning. And in fact, upon realizing the number that were gathered there, that giving the money out, they will not claim money to see from you. They ran away with the money. They forcefully ran away with their money. It was like a fight. The delegates were present to take what you gave to them, but your team members, the team you chose to represent you here, ran away with the money. They ran away. You see what is happening? So I don't know why they did that. So in Gambaga, when they came, they ran away. In Alelgu, when they got to Alelgu, many delegates did not get their money. They ran away again. So dear Kennedy, if you don't get a vote here, don't just say maybe we hate you. Please, your people have those who entrusted your funds into, they have run away with your money. So you can ask them for your money because no one took your money. You gave money to them to give to us so that we vote you. Really? So now they came. They ran away with the money. Mabisi, young video shama, can you Kennedy Adepon team members?
Yes, enti asema yewe kenyina no edamasum ochina papa bi betana na otiatia mu se ya nto aba ama nti obi awie ma ne nyina yinim dia wo se yen kan kire no asem ba ko pe na mewo e ka kire delegates se ochina eye communal level e de ma NPP ni babia especially the delegates yen kwere nkoto aba no yie na yen fa yewura Dr. Bawumia as the flag bearer of the MPP ono na betumi aboa party na ko ntina na nan so akona nim ono nko a ena ye nipa se to abama na ebeboa party no yetumi adi nkunim in 2028 abusiafo me do mbesi ana mapamo achew se yewura ADOMAKO BAFFI antumi ama menim se bibi na si ne kwan na se na etie bia no menim se in another day we will bring him here back on this channel na ye ne no timi atwetwe nkomo media ne Mr. Mafo metiashe mu nyina da mu nyina ase ni ma Mr. Otumi freye Thomas Mafo oba be hwe me na me nwa ba na akua afuro metia oye pa ni ma Vivian kuma metia na nwa kwasi asamoa metiashe mu nyina da mu nyina ase na mo bre until we meet again adios.